Is your Vizio TV constantly freezing or stuck on a loading circle? It is incredibly annoying when you are right in the middle of a great movie and that buffering wheel ruins the moment. Don't worry, I am going to show you exactly how to boost your connection and stop the buffering for good right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. I am your tech expert friend here to help you fix your stream so you can enjoy your content without the wait. Buffering on your Vizio TV usually happens because of a weak wireless signal, congested network channels, or a slow DNS server. These TVs require a consistent flow of data to maintain high-definition video, and even a tiny drop in your internet speed can cause the system to pause and catch up. Let's dive into the fixes. Step 1. Power cycle your router and modem. Unplug them both from the wall for 60 seconds. This clears the internal cache and forces your internet provider to assign you a fresh, clean connection. Step 2. Switch to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. If your router has two different names, make sure your TV is connected to the 5 GHz option. It is much faster and has less interference than the older 2.4 GHz band. Step 3. Move your router closer to the TV. Every wall or piece of furniture between your router and the TV weakens the signal. If you can't move the router, try to clear any large metal objects or mirrors from the line of sight. Step 4. Use a wired Ethernet connection. If your buffering won't stop, skip the Wi-Fi entirely and plug an Ethernet cable directly into the back of your Vizio TV. This provides a rock-solid connection that wireless signals just can't match. Step 5. Change your DNS settings to 8.8.8.8. Go into your network settings and switch from automatic to manual. Entering Google's public DNS can significantly speed up how fast your TV finds and loads streaming servers. Step 6. Run a connection test in the Vizio menu. This will tell you your actual download speed. If you are seeing less than 25 megabits per second, you likely won't be able to stream 4K content without constant pausing. Step 7. Close background apps on other devices. If someone is gaming or downloading large files on a computer in another room, they are stealing the bandwidth your TV needs. Pause those downloads to prioritize your stream. Step 8. Perform a soft power cycle on the TV. Hold the power button on your remote for 15 seconds while the TV is on. This refreshes the SmartCast system and clears out temporary bugs that slow down your streaming apps. Step 9. Toggle your DHCP settings. Go to the manual network menu and turn DHCP off and then back on. This forces the TV to request a brand new IP address from your router, which can fix hidden routing conflicts. Step 10. Check for a Vizio system update. Go to System and select Check for updates. Sometimes a simple software patch is all that is needed to optimize how your TV handles high-resolution video streams. Here is a pro tip for Vizio owners. If you are still buffering in just one specific app, try casting that show from your phone instead of using the built-in app. Your phone often has a much stronger Wi-Fi antenna than the TV and can feed the video to the screen more efficiently. If you face any difficulty getting your stream to stay smooth, please leave a comment below. I check the comments constantly and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If these solutions stopped the buffering, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your connection is fast and your movie is ready. I will see you in the next one.